Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will understand more about the private cloud and its advantages. So the main advantage of leveraging a private cloud is that the resources are provisioned for exclusive use of a single organization. It is believed that it provides the best security over public and hybrid clouds, as private cloud maintain a certain degree of isolation. So private cloud can be on premises or in the data center of an internal cloud provider. The idea here is that the resources are not multi-tenant. What does it mean? Meaning that the systems are not shared while provision. Means if a system is partitioned, it is not shared among multiple companies or multiple vendors. There are a few types of organizations who are required to maintain the separation of resources and data, such as those who deal with medical or financial data. For those organizations, private cloud is the only viable option. That's it for this video. See you in the next. Thank you.